Folks, but today this bulldozer and a guy named Jeff Adams is expanding our church parking lot right here. Woo. You see all the marks? It's from this bulldozer here. Just in case the little stop flight is 25. What's that red thing? I don't know what it is, folks. This is Victory Assembly of God 4245 Bending Stress. Then I got 400. 4025 minutes. In Jasper, Indiana. We just saw an air balloon thing we caught Max or something or whatever it's called.
So he can back up?
Yeah.
See how far he's backing up?
Yeah, I know. Hey, big rock. Okay, I wonder what that red thing is back there.
Well, that's a grader that goes on the back for pulling dirt.
Oh, grader on the back of a bulldozer, folks. That's what it is.
Back here. Don't go back there because he's backing way up there. Okay, we don't want him to have to watch out for you.
Okay, yeah.
So just kind of stay back here. And then as you go back and forth, you can get video. But just stay back here out of the way, okay?
I guess. Not. I mean, they removed some of the stumps in the tree.
Oh, yeah. Look how shooting is there.
Yep.
Make the parking lot bigger. Yeah, kind of. Look, imagine there's an imaginary line going from that tree to the mailbox. See where the mailbox is?
Yep.
There's a line. Come back here right about where I am. Imagine there's an imaginary line. Just stay on this side of the line, okay? Don't go over there because that's where Jeff's working at. There you go. Just stay back here.
Sure. Okay.
All right? Yeah,
I guess
you don't want to be in his way because that's... Boy, if he ever hits you with that thing, you'd be dead.
Yeah. That's right.
If he does get over here a little bit closer to you, you just keep backing up to see about how far we are away from him right now. That's how far away you need to stay, okay?
Maybe
so as he works over this way closer, you need to back up a little bit, okay?
I guess, yeah.
I'm going for practice. I can't be out here to watch you. You need to make sure you stay out of his way,
okay? Yeah. Okay. Just pressing the parked up there. my fault. It's my ear, that's all. Oh well, folks. Well, I guess my dad just told me not. And imagine there's some imaginary line sitting right here. I guess it's for heaven's sake I just have to stand right here because apparently it can't be back there else Jeff Adams was to hit me and all that with that thing. Boy, I'd be dead, he just said. So I'll just stay back here so I don't get grounded if I don't go back there, okay? And yes, Daddy, if you're watching this video, I stayed back here the whole time. Yep. Don't worry. Looking good. Maybe not. Here's an echo. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna move that thing that helps red plow digger, not that it helps plow digger, whatever, not that helps move the dirt a little bit better. That's what that red thing is, folks, all along. Oh, that told me. Rocks. All this is gonna be gravel back there, folks. Eventually, I wish it was concrete, but we'll get concrete eventually. Right along this side, we're gonna have a new family life center here soon. I'll make another video when that happens, okay, folks? Maybe next year, 2020. I can look at my hands a lot. There's a squirrel right in that tree. You see? Now it's in that tree. Wow. Let's move from right there. Zoom in so you can see. Oh well, it's gone now. Okay, well, I guess I better stop in before the field stops. So that's it, folks. That's Jeff Adams. Remember, he's Bulldozer. If you love this video, please hit like, subscribe, down in the comments this guy's name, because you love this video so much. And don't forget, I'm super interested in construction so much. Thanks for watching the end. Anyway, because of me, please don't forget that this was my video, so that's it. And don't forget what you love, friends. Anyway, this is me making videos about it. That's it. Bye, folks. Woo! Goodbye.